Right now, as we speak, our altcoins are going absolutely crazy, and it really feels as if an altcoin season is upon us. If you've got no idea what I'm talking about, just go to the crypto rankings. You go to CoinMarketCap, for example, you'll see Hbar, 𝗖𝗓𝗃, and everything is just pumping 40-50% in a day. Even some old garbage kind of coins like Polygon are up 30% in a day, Quant up 30, Chainlink up 30, Jasmy up 40, and this is, by the way, one of the favorite coins in my comment section. Every single day I've got 100 people asking me about Jasmy, and I always say it's actually one of the best performing bull market coins because people just love it. I don't know what it does, but people love it, and that's why it goes up. Right now, it's going crazy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we right now are #1 in the entirety of the world on Bluefin, the crypto exchange I'm using right now, in terms of profit. And in a few hours, I'll be doing a $1,000 giveaway to 5 winners who've signed up. If you want to trade, there's some pretty cool bonuses going on right now. And our trades, this is very, very interesting right now. Yesterday, I think so, or maybe 2 days ago, I don't quite remember, I opened an account. Let's quickly take a look. Okay, history, there's no history. Yesterday or 2 days ago, I opened an account. No, it was actually yesterday, it seems. Yeah, it was on the 2nd, and today is the 3rd. Yeah, so it was yesterday. I opened an account. We put $5,000 in, and here's a look at the profits currently. Right, I just took all these trades together with you guys on stream. Solana is quite neutral, $500 in, $15 in the profit. ADA, $500 in, $500 in the profit, so we doubled our money in a day. XLM, $250 in, we're down $120. Hbar, $250 in, and that was my mistake because you can see the size was less on those two because I was explaining something in the video. Right now up $1,833, and then Dogecoin, $500 in, down about $270. And I explained more that if Dogecoin comes down, I wanted to average in already at about 41 cents. Didn't get time to do so though. But if it comes down more, I will be buying hopefully at 40 cents because the goal is to average our prices out as low as possible and then make crazy amounts of money on the flip. But even here on the Hbar trade that we took together yesterday, I could already cash it out right now as my total account is at $7,000. So we made $2,000 in a day. So basically, we started with 5,000, now we're at 7,000. I could close this all now and just start again and start again and start again if I wanted to. But the goal is to let every single one of these trades turn into massive amounts of profit. But here on Hbar, for example, I'm just giving you guys an example here. It's actually always nice to just shave off some profits like currently. Why am I doing that here on this trade? Well, because that way, if it manages to hit it a little bit, we're able to shave off some profits of the top as it's up 700% in about a day or so. But more importantly, then we're able to pay for the fees that come along with holding these positions. And obviously, I mean, $250 to $1,800 in a day. Can you really complain? I mean, with our XRP position, we also turned $250 into $4,500, which was a very, very good trade. But in a second, I'll show you the main account to see how all our main trades are doing. But for right now, all I'll say is, guys, if you've not done it yet, make sure you press the like button on this video. And if you want more trade updates, just make sure you put the notification bell on because I'll get these going every single day. All right, so stick around and make sure you press that like button. Let's dive into our other trades. On the main account, the trades are as follows. XRP, $1,000 to about 56. ADA, $85 to about, it's $2,000 in the profit, 1,700 or so in the plus. Bitcoin, 3,000 to about 26. Doge, 1,000 to about 30,000 right now. ETH, 7.5 to about 13, minus 1.8. You can see it. And then WIF still at a massive loss because screw WIF. And right now, as it stands, people have been asking me, should I buy, should I buy, should I buy? You know the funny thing? I bought the Cardano dip on spot. Right, so I just bought some more Cardano for my bags, and that was like below $1 just now. Right now, it is at a whopping $1.27, just turned to $1.25, and it reminds me that every single time you think, ooh, it can really not get any crazier from here, it just goes crazier from there, because that's how bull markets go. Hedera at 35 cents. A lot of the comments were, Dusty, why are you so excited? It's only 35 cents. And my response is, it's 35 freaking cents per Hbar. That is absolutely massive in my opinion. Like here, Jasmy up 43%. This is just peak alt season vibes, even though the funny part is we're not in peak alt season yet. We're doing good, but we still have got a while to go most likely before the peak euphoria hits, especially because Bitcoin today is actually falling. As you can see here, Bitcoin is at 95. Actually, on every single exchange, it's fallen to about 94.9. So as Bitcoin is falling, Ethereum is also falling ever so slightly. It's really quite peculiar that our altcoins are holding up so well. And that signifies that indeed Bitcoin is losing dominance while altcoins are gaining it. Usually that happens when Bitcoin is doing quite well. and then altcoins perform better in the altcoin season. This is actually normally the most bullish part of altcoin season, what we're witnessing. What happens then, I've described this multiple times, Bitcoin loses, so Bitcoin's topped out, and then all the altcoins start to flourish. And that makes me kind of scared. What if we right now are already in the crazy altcoin season? I've warned about this for years, that alt season looks like up 40% day in, day out, every single day. And many people couldn't ever believe it. Right now, they don't believe their eyes. But what we're witnessing now is alt season, even though like it's not the peak of it yet, because we're, logically speaking, not that close to it yet. It should be still a few months out. Point being though, like I just described, exactly this, all these gains day in, day out, like we were seeing with Hbar, like we were seeing with XLM, like we were seeing with XRP. That's exactly what I consider an altcoin season, like I saw back in 2021, like I saw it back in 2017, 2018. But right now, it seems like out of everything, and this is kind of funny, that Cardano is actually one of my best coins because I'm holding it on spot for the most part. No crazy trades, as you can see over on the ones that I keep showing. We didn't open one. Oh, we did. Actually, it's up 100% from the one that we opened yesterday. And this one is up, like I said, 2,000%. So it's okay, but no crazy size on them, right? As these were all just very, very small, minor trades. But it's just for looking at my portfolio. XRP has been by far #1, but ADA is #2 before Hbar at #3 if I look at my portfolio right now. And that's the funny part. I've just believed in these coins for so long, and I kept saying, man, your targets are way too low, way too low. Some people in the comments say, Dusty, you don't know what you're talking about. And I respond saying, nope. All we do is invest, and it keeps on working. And again, this is not luck. We've been investing for so many years in a row, and we keep winning because we understand the system. At the end of the day, this crypto space is all about understanding the system, understanding the cyclical nature of it, and not really so much about luck. I mean, luck can happen, right? But it's mostly with a meme coin or with indeed some sort of daily gains versus another coin. But generally speaking, if we're talking about the market, you know, the 4-year cycle, I've explained to you guys many, many times how it usually works. This time around, the only very different thing is how Ethereum is performing relative to all the other coins. Right now, the utility coins, which are all my main bags, are all pumping like crazy. And I've said before, what happens is Bitcoin first, then ETH / right after the utility coins. ETH is kind of being skipped this season for some reason. And perhaps that's because of a larger plan. Perhaps that has to do with the broader crypto market. Right now, utility coins are absolutely popping off. Before it was memes, right now it's utility coins. And we'll see what the next big trend is going to be. I mean, Ondo is going crazy right now. Maybe the whole BlackRock or RWA narrative or funds of funds is going to pop off from here. I don't know. Obviously, nobody knows exactly all that. All I knew was these are all my favorite coins. They're all pumping like crazy. At some point, though, I think it is wise to shave some of the top and then reinvest whenever you get the opportunity to do so. And I keep saying, if you right now are witnessing life-changing amounts of gains, change your life. I will always keep saying that every single day because nobody knows where we're going to end up tomorrow. All I know is, hey, FET, our favorite AI coin, okay, not favorite, one of the good AI coins is starting to pick up the pace as well. Many of our coins, guys, that right now are not performing well as well, they'll get their run. Just give it some time. If you've missed the XRP train, if you missed the Cardano train, don't worry, your time will come. Don't FOMO like crazy though, because that's how you lose big. But yeah, that's about it. I'm crazy bullish on the crypto market right now, and I'm so excited for what's about to happen to us because my targets are so freaking high right now. I think most of our top alts will still 10x from here, and that sounds crazy. Because, I mean, I said that for XRP when it was below at like 60 cents or whatnot. I said, 10x is coming. I said that for Cardano, but it already is doing like multiples, right? Hbar, I said a 10x, but right now it already did a 3x after I said that, so a 3x is left. But that is not so exciting no more, huh? But man, all my targets are being hit. Things are so amazing this run. I'm having a good time, and I hope you guys are having one too.